Hi, hello everyone, welcome to the Compound Zoo. Welcome if you are new. I am Becca. Welcome back to the zoo. This is part 2 of I don't know how many parts on renovating my kids' bathroom. Okay, so it's another day. It's the next day from the last update I gave y'all. There's a squeaky noise somewhere in my house. Today is going to be adding the second coat of stain on all the cupboards and then staining the baseboards, and then hopefully either later today or tomorrow, depending on how long it takes for the stain to dry, I'm gonna paint the walls, and then I just need to assemble everything, and then we're good to go. So fun. This, like I said yesterday, this is taking way longer than I completely expected, but it's fun. It's been real fun, like watching the drastic change from like that bright and like airy room to like this dark and broody spooky house bathroom. Alright, so I'm just going back in with the Varathane Kona gel stain that I mentioned in the last video. And y'all, I tried to do this all in one part, but you can already see this is the second part, and it's already almost a 10-minute video, and I don't want to bore you guys. So, yeah, just gonna stain and tag along. And we're done. Oh, and I have stain everywhere. It's making it look like I have freckles. Oh, but I got everything that was in here stained. I still need to stain the doors that go on the big cupboard. You guys can see it in the mirror. That big cupboard. I need to stain those doors and put them on here, but I kind of ran out of room. Like, I have run out of space to lay those doors. I still need to do the back side of these doors, but obviously I have to wait for this side to dry. Flip it over, do it again. I'm going to end up staining in here before I lay the contact paper down, but that's gonna be done last because I need to vacuum this out and scrub them, and I just don't have the energy right now. The sides right here are gonna end up being spray painted a nice like metallic-y copper, but I even got the door trims and the baseboard. That's not a baseboard. And the baseboard's done. I don't know what happened to that baseboard. Like, it just kind of disappeared. The baseboards I only did one coat on, whereas the cupboards, the doors, that shelf, which I still can't flip over because it's still wet, has one coat. Everything else has 2 coats on it, and I really love the way it came out. I love the way the brush strokes give it dimension without making it look cheap. Like, I don't know, I really like it. So I got my first round of rubbed oil bronze spray paint on these lights. I have been dry overnight, so now I gotta carefully flip and get everywhere that the primer has touched that the rubbed oil bronze did not.
The next day.
Okay, next morning. I did end up last night off camera painting the inside of those drawers. I don't know why I was waiting to clean the inside and then stain and then have to wait for it to dry and then put contact paper down. So I stained it, and then when I'm ready to put the contact paper down, I will clean it and all that stuff. That way I'm not worried about getting stain in the drawers because it's already there. It's gonna get covered. So next step, taking this Krylon foil metallic in copper. It said it's supposed to give like a true metal-like finish. And I'm going to spray the sides of the drawers. So like when you pull the drawers out, it's like a peekaboo effect. So let's see how that works. Oh my God. So yeah, like a complete and total metallic like finish. I don't know what happened there. I don't know if I should spray paint it over. Oh my God, it's so shiny. Oh my God. So the only issue that I can foresee me kind of running into is the overspray on this thing kind of sucks. And it sprays really weird. It sprays in like a fantail instead of like out this way. So that may end up being an issue, but I'm going to try to paint the rest of the drawers. Yeah, oh my God, this is like coming together so beautifully. Okay, y'all, moment of truth. I took the tape off of this one already, but it's so pretty. I had to do some touch up. Apparently the stain was still wet. It was like 2 days ago. So it's been 2 days since the last update. So all of the inner corners of the drawers are coated in this metallic copper. I'm now finishing the last 2 doors, and then after everything is stained and dried, I need to put everything back on all the cupboards, line all of the drawers, line the shelves, and then paint. And we're done. Alright, y'all, this is day number. I have absolutely no idea. I just put the first coat of stain on the second side of those tall cabinet doors. I still have to paint. Still need to finish all the decor in here. And yeah. How long is it gonna be till I stop tasting spray paint? Okay, also that's going to do it for the end of part 2 of this DIY bathroom renovation here on the Compound Zoo. If you haven't seen our previous DIY video, it is linked up above and down below. And I hope you guys stay tuned to the final reveal coming soon. So be sure to like, thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel to see just how this bathroom transforms. And follow us on Instagram at TheCompoundZoo for all sorts of fun, normal farm stuff that we usually do. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!